for tonight. First of all, happy 18th birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Kasi thankful ako nung kilala kita. One of the memories na I never forget is yung the first day we met nung birthday ng pinsan mo. Kasi you're not hesitate to approach me kasi 'di ba? It's our first day na kakilala, tapos yan, hindi ka nahiya, tapos andito lang kami always to support you. Don't hesitate to ask help to us. Yan. Happy 18th birthday again. Love you, Lane.
Yan, salamat. Yan.
Happy birthday.
Candle. Alright, game.
Happy birthday, Tess. I love you so much. More birthday to
Sorry.
Sana marami pa tayong memory. Ano na yun? I love you, Tess. Ayun lang. Thank you so much.
That's Angel Joy Miranda. Candle.
Hi Len, happy birthday. Finally, after years, nakita din tayo ulit. Ang hirap pag LDR. So ayun, wish ko lang matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo sa life mo, and kung ano yung mga wishes mo, kahit ano pa yan, sana matupad mo. Good luck sa journey, happy legality. Yun lang, I miss you, I love you, Len.
Alright.
First of all, thank you sa pagiging friend ko for almost 10 years. Nagpas 10 years, yes. Thank you sa mga pinagagawa mo sa akin. Kahit magkaaway tayo dati.
Palaway ka
talaga. Tayo. Yeah. So, sana matupad mo lahat.
Happy birthday, Elaine. Magkakasya tayo since grade 4 hanggang ngayon. Pero ngayon lang tayo naging close ng sobra-sobra. So, wishing you an 18th year that's as bright as your smile. So, happy 18th birthday to our one and only Elaine. More birthdays to come, and I love you.
Reality. My wish for you is that you fulfill everything you want in your life. And congratulations in entering the world of adulthood. And also, I wish you all the blessings. And sana palagi kang masaya. And alam mo naman na andito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. And I love you. Happy 18th birthday!
Sandria.
Alright. So, happiest birthday, Ate Elaine. You're now 18 and still can't believe how fast time is. First, I want to thank you for everything, for being a big sister to me since grade 8. You're one of the people who saved me from my depression, and I will always thank you for being my savior. And I know you've been through a lot, and I know kung gaano ka-proud si Papa mo sa'yo. You're a very hard-working person, smart woman, and dedicated sa lahat. And you deserve everything good in this world, and I wish you a good life, a happy life, and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, Elaine. Thank you for everything, especially when I needed a shoulder to cry on. You're always there for me to give me advice kahit na I'm older than you. Also sa mga memories na kasama kita with my family. Thank you for always coming with us para may kasama ako na kaedad ko. Hangan din ako sa'yo super, as in. Sobrang sipag mo, especially sa school. Sobrang aga mo magpasa ng mga activities, ganyan. Laging kompleto. Sobrang sipag nito na Elaine. And kahit na sobrang daming ginagawa sa school, natutulungan mo pa din yung family mo, lalo na sa eatery yung tita dito. Lagi mo pinapost sa story mo. So napapansin ko yung sobrang sipag mo talaga as in. So happy 18th birthday ulit, Lengay. Love you so much and thank you so much for everything.
Opo muna umalis ang ating candles.
Happy 18th birthday, Elaine. Happy legality. First, thank you for always being there for me, for always supporting us in the Signal Dance Group, and sa mga friends mo. And especially, thank you when it comes to ACADS, lalo na ng online class. Napanood na natin yung isa't isa mag-grow together, and nakita ko from the past few years na you've become a wonderful and a great friend to us. My wish for you is to achieve everything in life. Lahat-lahat ng dreams mo, sana makamit mo. Galingan mo sa business math. Dapat marami kayong points. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Elaine. And we've been friends for the
Nice.
past 6 years. In those moments, sobrang happy ng mga memories na nagawa natin. And maraming challenges sa life, through ups and downs. And you were always there. And in return, we will always be here too. And na-witness namin yung pagiging independent mo. And sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo. And nandito lang kami. Happiest birthday. I love you.
Alright.
Hi, Lane! Happy birthday! I know lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matutupad. And life is not easy. And I know you can do it. Happy birthday! Love you!
Yeah, sweet naman.
Hi, Lane. Happy 18th birthday, dear cousin, sister. This is your time to shine and conquer the world. Believe in yourself. Chase your dream. And never stop reaching for the stars. 18 is just a start of tasting what life has to offer. Always remember that life is what you really make it. I wish you all the best from this day on. Happy birthday. I love you.
Oh.
Hi, Beshi! 18 ka na. Happy birthday! Iyak na yun! Wala pa tayo. Hindi, dati kasi ikaw yung baby namin. Ngayon, yung mga baby na namin yung baby mo. Basta mag-ingat ka lagi. Yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, maabot mo. Lagi mong tatandaan na andito lang kami mga ate mo, cousin mo, mga tito, tita mo. Gagawin sa'yo. Love your parents always. Hi, Beshi. I am blessed having a cousin na caring, sweet, and loving. Meron tayong isang bagay na sobrang magkasundo. Pero not to mention, alam mo na yun. Basta always make your parents proud. I love you.
Alright.
Hello, umiyak na. Wala na.
Hello, Kulot. Happy 18th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. And Mama and Papa always proud of you. And sana... Naiyak ako.
Walang iyakan.
Thank you kasi kahit hindi mo kasi usama sa gala nyo. Charot! Love na love ka naming lahat. Happy 18th birthday ulit. Hindi. Nandun ako.
Picture po with our dad.
Hi, Be. Thank you sa pag-invite. Happy birthday. Alam kong matagal mong inantay itong araw na to. Since last year pa, naghahanap na tayo ng team ko ano yung mga i-design. Sana, kaya dapat enjoy mo tong araw na to. Tsaka, siguro pag wala ka nung first day nung grade 7, wala talaga akong magiging friend. Tsaka, ikaw lang din yung kilala ko nun. Sobrang thankful ako kasi nakilala kita. Para nakitang nanay. Magkasama tayo sa lahat, iyakan, tawanan, sa mga kalokohan na hindi alam nila tita. Uy, still! Thank you sa pakikinig sa akin sa lahat ng rags ko sa buhay. Andito lang din ako always for you. Handa akong pumunta kapag need mo ako. Medyo late lang. Wish ko sa'yo sana maging happy ka lagi sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Tsaka, importante kasi, syempre, di ba yung happiness? Kahit na minsan, bad trip ka lagi. Di namin masabayan yung trip mo minsan. Yun lang, naiiyak na ako.
Baka masira yung eyelash ko. Good luck sa atin sa college. Happy birthday.
Hello.
Alright.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Ay, ang haba.
Ayaw ko talaga itong sabihin sa'yo, pero kasi lalaki yung ulo mo. Words can express how grateful I am to have you as my so-called best friend.
Oh, sweet.
Since the very first day, and to all of you who didn't know, she's been my classmate since grade 3. And yes, kaklase ko pa rin po yan siya hanggang ngayon. At nagkakasawaan na din po kami sa isa't isa. At what more kung magkakasama pa din kami sa this coming college life. But anyways, today, we are here to celebrate her 18th birthday. So yes, I would like to take this opportunity to thank her. Thank you for all the countless love, for your endless support, for the achievements that we have shared together. And for all the unforgettable memories with you. Kahit na we barely talk, we haven't done these past few months due to academic pressure. And we all know that there is just so much to do. But tonight, I am here to celebrate this new chapter of your life with you. So I wish you all the best thing that you can have. And please know that we love you and we are all here to be your support system. Cheers to many more years of love, laughter, and adventures together. Again, happy birthday. Wala pa na yung ako. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. May cousin, may anything kang na best friend.
Mana-mana sa mama!
Thank you sa lahat. And thank you dahil lagi ka nandiyan. Thank you dahil lagi ka nandiyan sa akin. Kahit lagi ka naiinis sa akin, nandiyan ko pa rin. Hindi kayo makakalimutan yung nag-awit tayo na isang buwan.
Sweet.
Na hindi mo ako pinansin ng isang buwan na nangihingi ako ng sorry. Ay, umiyak, matatagamiyak ako eh. Yung nag-away tayo noon, hindi ko alam kung paano ko manghihingi na sorry sa'yo. Kasi alam ko mahirap bawiin yung trust mo ulit sa akin that time. And thank you dahil pinatawad mo pa rin ako. Thank you ate. Dahil nandyan ka lagi sa akin. Sa akads ko, ikaw yung inspirasyon ko. Promise, ikaw yung inspirasyon ko. And thank you sa pagtulong sa akin minsan sa module ko. And thank you sa lahat-lahat. Hindi ko alam kung ano ko ngayon kung wala. Happy birthday!
Oh, sweet. Picture with our debutant, Miss Jaisal. Thank you very much.
Hi, B! 18 ka na, B! Happy birthday!
Wala kang ilong dito. Wala kang ilong sa kanya.
Hindi ako iiyak. Ayun na.
Nawawala ilong mo dito.
Ayaw ka na. Paano ba ito? Hindi na ako marunong magbasa. Yan, happy yes birthday, my kimchi. My rat buddy, my partner in crime, my other half. May jawa yun. And syempre, my human diary. Super thankful ako kay God kasi meron akong cousin na sa katulad mo. Ikaw lang nakakaalam ng rant na sa buhay ko, lahat-lahat, ng mga panahon. Alam mo yan?
Ikat na natin tayo. Nakakatid. Tama na to.
Araw natin lang kasama kita sa nung kapag may event sa school.
Akala ko sabi.
Kaya sa ganito na. Kaya ka tayo mag-Barbie! 18 ka na!
sobrang maldita mo. Tsaka napakapatampuin mong bata ka. Sarap mo sa bakit. Basta, dito lang palagi si ate. Alam ko, stress ka na rin kasi graduating ka. Pero kayang-kaya mo eh. Ikaw mo, tali-talino mo, B. Super proud si ate sa'yo. Alam na alam mo yan. Happy birthday, mahal na mahal kita. Basta lagi mo tatandaan. Proud na proud ako sa'yo. At dito lang ako kahit busy si ate. Yun lang. I love you.
Thank you very much.
Sabi ko na sa'yo kami talaga nagmano eh.
Happy birthday, Len. Love you.
Oh, sweet.
Ma, tapos na kayo umiyak eh. Tapos na. Love you.
Sweet. And of course, picture with our debutant, Tita Alma de Guzman. Picture po muna tayo. Huwag po muna kayong umalis. Alright, and next, so we have Tita Cecil Lucero. Huwag po muna umalis. Lizelle, sorry. Lizelle.
Malit? Hindi pa. Wala naman akong ibang masasabi kundi. Alam ko naman na kayo. Hindi, basta proud kami sa'yo.
Ang sweet.
Yun lang talaga. May tiwala kami sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Picture.